So that's a look round of what I've done so far. I hope you like these videos. I hope it's interesting if you're interested in this kind of thing, or if you're coming to Russia, moving to Russia, or thinking about building a house or having a house built. Hope it's an insight into some of the things that you need to do, and some of the secrets that they don't tell you. I'm building this myself. There is no pretending. There is no pretending to be off-grid. It's not off-grid. Never will be off-grid. I don't want to be off-grid. That's for mugs, if you ask my opinion, and fancy YouTube videos. This is all my hand-built work. Some of it's good, some of it's not so good. Material, if you watch my video, you'll see that I got this free from the Russian government. Thank you. So this house is costing me almost nothing compared to what you would pay if you had to pay for everything. So I'm very happy about that. Okay, so if you like videos, give us a like and subscribe. And if you want to talk to us on our Telegram, we have a Telegram channel called Russia Expat. Well, not we, me. We have a Telegram channel called Russia Expat Info, and I'll put a link below, and you can come and talk to us on there if you're thinking of coming to Russia. If you're thinking of moving here. This channel is not really about immigration. I wanted to show this and the lifestyle here more than talk about immigration, but the Telegram channel certainly is about advice for immigrants coming in. So if that's what you need, go to that channel, and there's always somebody there willing to help you.